Hi everyone, so this week we're talking about our VidCon experience, and in case there's any background noise, I apologize. I am at my sister's place and she lives like right next to a train station. My VidCon was my first VidCon. It was super amazing, and as you can see I didn't get that many signatures. That's because I got a lot of pictures. But like the very first shock I got was when I walked into the Hilton and people with these badges were everywhere. And everybody was like starting to talk to me like, oh, are you now joining the craziness and everything? And I was like, yes, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Yeah. Also, I got to meet almost all of Chameleon Circuit, and by almost all of Chameleon Circuit, I mean all of Chameleon Circuit that was there. You saw the picture of Ed, but I didn't get him to sign this. And then I got Liam to sign next to his head, Charlie to sign next to his, and Michael to sign next to his. My dad is working in the bathroom right now. I'm sorry. Yeah. My absolute favorite moment, or my two absolute favorite moments, were first meeting Toby Turner, because I don't know if you've noticed yet or if I told you yet, but I love Toby Turner. I'm like in love with this human being, and I met him and I gave him a gift by me, and I was like, oh, can I get a hug or a picture or anything? And I got a picture, and then I told him that I was German and he started talking German to me. And Toby talking German is about the most adorable thing I've ever seen in all of my life, or heard. It's amazing. He's so cute when he talks German, oh my god. And yeah, that kind of made my day. And then my other favorite person that I met was Hank. I didn't actually think that I'd meet Hank because of him organizing the whole thing and everything. And on Sunday, I was waiting in line for Mountain Space Disney Day, and it was like half an hour before Disneyland closed, so I was pretty sure, like, at this point, I know I won't meet Hank anymore. It's too late. And me and my friend who I was there with, our feet were hurting like crazy, so we decided, you know what, we've been on Space Mountain 2 times. Let's just turn around. And we turn around, and we're starting to walk to the back of the line, and just before we were at the very back of the line, I stopped my friend and I was like, ah, Margaret, Hank. And there he was, standing right in front of me, Hank Green. And he saw my VidCon shirt and he looked at us and I was like, hey. And I was like, yeah, can we get a picture with you? With him, and I embarrassed myself a whole lot. And then we wanted to leave and walked like past him and he was like, where are you going? And we were like, well, we wanted to leave. And he was like, oh, please stay. And we stayed, and he hung out with us while we were getting to the front to drive Space Mountain. It was pretty cool. Really cool, actually. Other than that, just a lot of interactions with a lot of Nerdfighters were like my favorite bits. And yeah, it was amazing. But the thing is, I will get to interact with Nerdfighters, actual German Nerdfighters. I'm really excited, very soon, because John Green is gonna be in Germany in like 3 weeks or something, and I just got my ticket. I'm also going to vlog everything for you guys, so that week my video won't be about the actual topic of the week, but about me meeting John again, and I'll get him to say hey to you. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. It was awesome. Everything's awesome. That was my VidCon experience. I'm looking forward to the rest of the videos, and if you want to follow Friendified, all of the links will be below me. All of the links will be below me. All of the links will be below me, and yeah, other than that, all of the links will be below me, and yeah, check us out. Please come back next week and watch everybody else's videos about VidCon. Bye!